Whenever you shave, when you just like really just does it just kind of pop out again, your beard? You know what I'm saying? If you like cut it all off, if you just like if you poop really hard, would it pop back out?
No.
Saying no, or you just never tried?
I mean, if I push a couple times, perhaps.
Yeah, right?
Maybe.
Jeez, Ray. Ray do all the heavy lifting. Okay.
Okay.
What is wrong with Mo? What happened, Mo? Oh no! You got unboxed it and everything. Mo's busy, you know.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, Ray. So first of all, what are we doing? What are we doing here? What do we got? What's going on?
It's a customer's truck.
All right, there you go.
Customer's truck. It's currently carbureted. Wants to convert it to fuel injection. So this is what we have. Edelbrock fuel injection system. Comes with an ECU enclosed. What? The ECU is not there.
This is one hell of an unboxing.
So it comes with a tablet. Comes with the actual system itself, intake manifold, fuel injection, the throttle body.
I feel like we overlooked a vital part of about the truck here. What truck is it?
Oh, that is a 68 Ford F100. It has a big block. What size? This big. See, this is the reason why I shouldn't be the one talking about this, because I don't know any. It does a ECU. ECU. The behemoth of an intake manifold with the fuel injectors and throttle body all built in, and everything else that's connected, the wire harness. And it comes with a new distributor.
Cool.
Cool.
All right, Mel, you want to do a more educated version of what you just did?
Yeah. Pretty much what we have is these F-100s carbureted. Wants to go with a fuel injection setup, and we're going to go swap it out with the Edelbrock Flow EFI. Comes with everything, gaskets, distributor, the ECM. All this hardware comes from Edelbrock. Should be an easy swap over. Doesn't take too long. We'll see how it goes. Supposedly.
Supposedly
It's a bolt-on. Pro EFI manifold has been installed. Hardware had to be fabricated to fit form, I guess. It didn't come with any hardware, so all the hardware that we had from the old intake manifold, we had to get new hardware. The bolts were too long, a couple of them we had to shorten out. We had to run down and get bolts for it, and They look really pretty now, so I mean it's good. Other than that, we just gotta wait for valve cover gaskets, waterproof gaskets. That's about it. Yeah, that's about it. And then just install it, wire it up, and then we got a couple more things that we have to install: starter, address transmission lead, see what's going on with that. Other than that, I mean that thing's gonna be a monster.
So Rico, what all did you do so far, Rico? Give us an update. What all happened? We got a lot of stuff on the table.
Well, you see,
There's some stuff going on in the engine bay.
Get a little cup of coffee, you know, get ready for the day. That's it, bro.
That's it. Wait, no, hold on. You didn't tell me.